our channel we upload an educational episode, a craft related to that episode, and an interactive game. Today we're going to show you the craft that we prepared to teach the professions. And we will also explain you how to get the interactive games that we've made. Today we make a professions craft. We will need a toilet paper roll, color cardboard, tape, scissors, and colored markers. We start by making a doll with our toilet paper roll. We of course made Gato rainbow, but your little ones can try to make themselves. We mark on the cards how tall they have to be to dress our doll. And we cut out the cardboard of that size using the colors that we want. Let's start with the red one, and I'll show you how to make a firefighter's outfit. We draw a semicircle like this and cut it out. And before adding the details, we subscribe to this channel. We stick some orange cardboard details, and that's it. In a minute I'll show you how it looks. But for now we continue with the hairdresser's outfit. For this one I'm looking at the one that Gato Rainbow had in the profession's educational episode. We make the details with a marker. And that's it! Now we make the dancer's outfit. Without forgetting the ruffles of the suit, which look great on Gato Rainbow by the way. We decorate it more with a marker. And let's go with the last suit. As a nurse, we cut the V-neck and make the hat. We paint the cross. Also in the suit. And before seeing how they look on, let me tell you that you can download these interactive games to work with your little ones on the professions. It includes a lot of activities to work on vocabulary, reading, attention. We'll leave the link in the description of this video. Let's see how these costumes fit Gato Rainbow. As you can see, they fit like a glove. With your little ones you can make these suits or whichever they want. Astronaut, police, chef. If you make them, we will love it if you send us a picture on Instagram. And today's greeting goes to Patricia, Javier, and Luis. Thank you very much for following us. If you also want your greeting in our videos, let us know in the comments. See you next week with a new educational episode that you will surely love. Goodbye!